Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to break into the bank in Crimson Desert. Breaking into the bank nets you a good amount of currency to spend or invest back in the bank. This is also useful if you want quick money at the start of the game. First, head to the backdoor vendor right here on the map. Interact with him and buy the mask. Additionally, you can also obtain the mask by completing the bounty quest for Jeffrey.
Not the careful. Tell me what you need.
Next, buy this key. This is required to open the back office of the bank.
Keep it down.
Keys are usually dropped by enemy encounters, so frequently check your inventory if you have one. Equip the mask before going in. Now that you have both items, enter the bank.
Your silence.
Then go inside the door to your left.
You stink of trouble.
Wait until the door closes. Once the door closes, loot everything inside. You'll see a theft bar on the top right corner of your screen. You can ignore this at the moment. Once you're done looting, wait for the theft bar to go out before you exit the area.
What?
And that is how to break into the bank in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.